Here's Killorn, hands it off to Hagel. Down low it goes, and a beautiful stop by Shesterkin on Cirelli. Hagel trying to
Igor Shesterkin's greatest skills is his ability to read the play. When this puck comes to Cirelli, Shesterkin reads, he's going to the backhand. Look, there's nowhere for the puck to go as Shesterkin is shut down the bottom of the ice as Cirelli goes to the backhand.
Shots on goal were 11-7 with Lafreniere and Vatrano. Here's Cirelli, goes right around the defense and put a backhand on Shesterkin.
Anthony Cirelli is going to do the same thing. He's going to go back to the backhand. Shesterkin reads this so well. He did it to Hagel, and now he'll do it to Cirelli. That move is not there from that close on Shesterkin.
Ryan Lindgren is another puck magnet. That one had to sting in the lower body. Room for Stamkos. Down low, and a beautiful stop by Shesterkin to Rob Kucherov.
The deflection by Kucherov as he gets across to deflect away, as well as a little break from Cirelli. Shesterkin has been just fantastic again here.
Here's a 2-on-1. Here's Bogosian, the defenseman, cutting in front. Stopped on the backhand by Shesterkin.
Tonight, the Rangers have been in clean on Igor Shesterkin. They've tried to deke him all 3 times as Zach Bogosian comes in late. But Shesterkin just follows the puck so well. Look at that push, strong push. Smother the bottom of the ice away, and then he moves his hands and feet out towards the puck as there's nowhere for the puck to go. Once it gets in that tight, it looks like there's lots of room. There isn't, because you're only 6 inches or so from the goalies.
Can get it out of the zone. Walking in, Cirelli down low, and a point-blank stop on Palat. Igor Shesterkin keeping the Rangers in the game, and perhaps keeping their season alive. Here's Killorn. Killorn right out in front. Stopped again. Rebound free for Cirelli, but
Ice, and Igor Shesterkin has been brilliant. He gets the shoulder and glove on the Andre Palat attempt, and then Alex Killorn goes right to the front of the net. They're jamming away. Shesterkin keeps that out, and because of his play, it's still a 1-goal game.
Check. And here's Cirelli on the counter. Has a trailer. It's Hedman down low. Hagel denied by Shesterkin. Another big stop.
But the bench, and as soon as Hagel doesn't one-time that, Shesterkin's already on the way over, right to left. The one-timer's probably the only way you're going to beat him. He tries to get it up, but Shesterkin stops that one too.